In today's fast-paced world, the idea of making money while you sleep might sound like a fantasy, but thanks to technology, automation, and the growing digital economy, it's actually more achievable than ever. Imagine going to bed and waking up to new income in your bank account. No alarms. No overtime. Just real earnings generated passively while you rest. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about setting up smart, sustainable systems that continue earning for you even when you're offline. Whether through digital products, content monetization, automated businesses, or passive income streams that work around the clock. In this ultimate guide, we're exploring all the realistic, practical ways you can make money while you sleep. From automated online stores to affiliate marketing, from royalties to digital downloads, you'll discover how to build income streams that grow quietly in the background. So slip into your pajamas, cozy up, and get ready to learn how to earn money effortlessly, even when you're dreaming. Let's dive into the world of sleep and make money. Understanding passive income starts with recognizing that it's money earned with little to no active involvement after the initial work is done. Unlike active income, where you trade your time for every payment, passive income allows you to build a system that keeps earning even when you're offline, relaxing, or asleep. Whether it comes from digital products, real estate, investments, or royalties, the core idea is freedom. You create something once and let it pay you repeatedly over time. Many people misunderstand passive income as instant money or zero effort, but the reality is more practical. Every passive income stream requires initial effort, research, setup, and consistency. Once built, though, it becomes a sustainable long-term earning engine that grows with time. Digital products and online content are among the easiest ways to start earning passive income today. Templates, online courses, e-books, and downloadable printables can be sold repeatedly without inventory or shipping. Many creators build full-time income streams simply by selling digital products that generate revenue 24/7. For those interested in long-term financial independence, investments and dividend income are powerful tools. Dividend-paying stocks, ETFs, and index funds reward investors with regular payouts, allowing portfolios to grow through compounding. Even small, consistent contributions can turn into substantial wealth over time. Real estate remains one of the most reliable passive income strategies. Rental properties, Airbnb units, or even spare rooms can generate continuous monthly earnings. While it requires initial capital and management, property ownership can eventually become a steady, predictable income source. Content creators can also earn by monetizing their audience. Through affiliate marketing and content monetization, bloggers, YouTubers, and influencers earn commissions every time someone makes a purchase through their links. This method rewards consistency, authenticity, and audience trust. Royalties offer another powerful avenue for passive income. Authors, musicians, designers, and photographers earn royalties long after their work is published. A single book, song, or design can generate income for years. Your passive income journey begins with identifying your strengths and opportunities. Choose something aligned with your skills and interests. This makes the process easier to maintain. Research your market, understand demand, and study your competitors to avoid costly mistakes. Next comes the creation stage, where you build your product or system, whether that's a digital product, content platform, investment portfolio, or rental property. This phase requires the most effort, but lays the foundation for future income. Once you launch, monitor your results and make adjustments. Passive income isn't completely hands-off. Optimization keeps your earnings consistent and growing. Real-life success stories show how achievable this path is. Many freelancers have transitioned from client work to selling digital products that earn daily income. Everyday investors have built significant dividend portfolios with small but consistent deposits. Real estate entrepreneurs started with a single rental property that eventually replaced their entire salary. Content creators have built passive income streams through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, all from sharing valuable content online. As you build your first passive income stream, start small and stay consistent. Avoid scams or get-rich-quick promises. Real passive income requires strategy and effort. Understand the risks, stay educated, and stay adaptable as markets change. It's also normal to face challenges. You may feel short on time or motivation, unsure which strategy to choose, or frustrated by slow early results. But passive income grows over time, not overnight. Small steps, taken consistently, create long-term success. Your journey toward financial freedom starts with one decision. Passive income isn't about instant wealth. It's about building stability, security, and freedom. Every small action you take today brings you closer to a future where your money works for you, even while you sleep. When you commit to learning, taking action, and staying consistent, you build a life where financial independence becomes your new reality. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides.